Now, what is a reverse proxy? Just like a proxy, reverse proxy sits in between the client and the server, but instead of sending the requests on behalf of the client, reverse proxy sends the response on behalf of the server. Now, I know it is confusing, but you can think of it like this. Proxies hide clients, whereas reverse proxies hide servers. Okay, so when a proxy is used, the server does not know about the actual client, and when a reverse proxy is used, the client does not know about the actual server. So when the client sends the request, it actually sends the request to the reverse proxy, not directly to the server. And then, of course, the reverse proxy forwards the request to the server, then the server responds, and then reverse proxy forwards the response to the client. So, suppose the client wants to visit google.com. And if google.com uses a reverse proxy, the DNS will return the IP address of the reverse proxy to the client. Okay? So, when you request for google.com using your browser, you actually send a request to a reverse proxy, not a server. But again, why do we need a reverse proxy? So, one of the common use cases of a reverse proxy is load balancing. It can be used as a load balancer to distribute the incoming requests across the servers. And another use case is protection from the attacks. Now, because of the reverse proxy, the IP address of the servers are unknown to the public, and so they are unknown to the attackers as well. This makes it harder for the attackers to target the servers. Okay? And reverse proxy can also be used for caching the data, like for caching static HTML pages. So the reverse proxies can handle some of the requests itself without bothering the servers. Okay? So these are some of the common use cases of a reverse proxy.